Watch this cat.
No way to get into the roof.
Why is the cat up there?
No, they don't have a new way. See, it's blocked off. They can't go up there.
Oh yeah, the cat.
Done. I ran out.
This is hilarious.
Crap! How is he gonna get there?
He's gonna jump on.
You can jump, little one.
Hard Guitar Hero.
Oh, this is
When
hilarious.
I done.
Hi, BC.
Marcus, come
Yeah, they had a little bath the other day, yesterday. Hi. Do you know how your brother got up there? You seem to be the only witness. Are you? Serious though. How in the world did the cat
We
get up
don't. We
here?
just let him exist up
No,
there.
I kind
Well, I'm gonna go to the farmer's market on Wednesday.
Marmalade.
I'm gonna ask if
Hello,
we go to
little
the
mister.
market on Wednesday.
Oh no, it's turning
Hello,
this
buddy.
way.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.
You're going to the farmer's market?
On Wednesday,
Why?
Hi.
yeah.
You want to jump down, do you?
No, he's just lying.
I think he's stuck. He wants
You
to get down.
stuck?
No, he can just jump on there. He's retarded.
Look, it's...
Come on, the cat knows how to jump. He's not a white man. Well, actually, he's a white boy.
He's never jumped this far.
How in the
Wait,
world
Dylan,
did
look
you
at the way
get up
he's
here?
crossing his arms. That means he's relaxed.
Oh.
Maybe he wants to get down.
No, Dylan, he's relaxed.
You went down, little mister.
I wanna
BC's
do
in my
something
room.
Today. Like, why don't we go ask
Want help?
what my grandpa could make us do
You want help, little mister?
for work.
What, Jackson?
Oh, I bet you need something. Okay, guys, I'm getting dressed. I'm gonna pick some blackberries, bring them over to my grandparents. That's what they're there.
Hi, BC.
Wait. Oh yeah, I just did in Borderlands. My rocket launcher.
This is
did 5,000
immediately got
damage.
this. This is
I killed
hilarious.
some mini boss.
How did you get up there, Moms?
And he dropped a launcher that did 12,560.
I think he
Don't
jumped.
shoot yourself.
Marmalade.
It definitely came.
Did Marmalade jump out?
I have like 800 health. My shield.
Moms, where'd you go? Marmalade, where'd you go? I'm on the search for you, Moms. Am I? Do you know where Marmalade went?
Whose is that?
Mine. Meow. Hey, Henry, say hello.
Hi.
Oh, you just takes. Hey,
I already
your
came.
nephew just jumped really high up. Why is there so many bugs here? And they're all dead. Oh yeah, there's like a nest up there. That's gross.
What?
Like a nest up there.
Butter.
Butter croissants.
No.
Yeah. Okay, this is that was so random. How did the cat get up there? Henry,
What?
you know where Marmalade ended up? He climbed up to the roof downstairs. Yep, he did that.
For real?
Yep,
When?
just now. And then he escaped somewhere, so I'm gonna go find him.
Yeah.
Wow. Marmalade. I cannot see him.
Don't drop the tablet.
Pardon?
Make sure you don't drop the tablet.
I won't. I cannot find Marms anymore. Marmalade! He's not up there. Oh, what?
She's a retard.
There he is.
He wants to find a way down.
He has issues.
Jumping on the TV is not the best idea.
No, he is retarded.
He wants
I
to
know.
Get down. How do we get him down?
Well, if he can
Wait,
go
no,
over
no,
there.
Look, I'll move the TV.
No.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah.
And we can
moving
get
it
this
in the
thing.
No, and watch this. I'll get.
Move the TV and then I'll put this thing here and see if he'll jump. He's going to the other way. Don't.
That
Oh.
was easy.
Oh, that was pretty. Good.
Dylan, now you have to
Just
move the
jumped.
TV out of his path.
See.
Boom. Hi, Jack.
He's like watching this entire drama.
Yeah,
Dylan,
Marmalade.
turn on the
BC's
TV.
just there.
Turn it off.
Where's the TV on? Moms, what do you
you're
think about that
smarter.
weird thingy?
Jackson,
That's not fair, but
Is that fun?
if you go out,
Or not?
Might be that.
Sorry that this is like a 5-minute video of my cat just being weird.
Are you dressed? Let's go.
Whoop.
Blackberries maybe to my grandparents so they can make me a pie.
that's actually a good idea for him.
I bet he can jump down to there.
It's a blackberry pie.
Oh, well.
I only had a raspberry.
Tell me what you think of that. Do you know how he got up
Oh yeah,
there?
it was mostly you.
Because
You
I
got
don't
my
know.
examples.
See ya.